Hello, my friends. Welcome to another episode of a 30-second card in who knows? It's just all in fun. And if you've never seen one of these episodes before, you don't need to email us and say, Stephanie, you need to slow down, things like that, because that does happen when people are brand new to the series. You need to go back and watch the very, very first one we did almost 10 years ago. Can you believe we've been in business almost 10 years? I can't. It's literally gone by in a flash. But back in the day, I thought I could make a card in 30 seconds. And so Ken decided, he said, no, you can't. And I said, yes, I can. So he timed me, and guess who was right? We'll find out again today. Okay, so today we're busy taping at our office today, and I just grabbed a whole bunch of stuff really quick. So I have a couple things on under here, and I grabbed and I threw it up on my table. Who knows what I'm going to use? We just released the Hip Hip Hooray pad, so I'm probably going to use that. I just have some random things laying around. Who knows what's going to happen? In fact, I was hoping I had a couple more dies over here. Oh, okay, so I have some. Okay, I have that. That's not gonna, okay, I don't know. Who knows what's gonna happen? You know as well as I do, nothing. We never know what's gonna happen. So Ken, whenever I talk too fast, I have to yawn. Okay, Kenny, let's see. Are you ready to start the time just for kicks and see what happens? And don't worry, I never try to do this. We'll see what happens. Okay, Kenny, on your marks, get set, start the time. Okay, so first what I want to do is I want to cut oh gosh, okay, well I can't do yellow because I don't have enough of that. I want to cut a butterfly, and I'm thinking, okay, let's do green. We're going to do a fold it. So I'm going to fold it, and I'm going to press down. Oh, and I'm going to get my new bone folder because I have a new bone. Where did my bone folder? Oh, there it is. I have a new bone folder. So we're going to get that out, which I should have had that out already, but oh well. So we're going to fold that down. Just like that. And now we are going to get our butterfly folded. So I'm going to get out the biggest piece because that is where we are going to do our die cutting for our card base. So I'm going to lay that down. I'm going to lay this down, and it says place fold here. So I'm going to place the fold right there, and we're going to run this through. Now that's 2 layers. So I'm going to run it through and then back. So I don't have to worry about whether or not it's cut out completely. So run it that way and then run it back. Okay, so that's one piece. So now, I have my card frame, my card base, right? Now what we want to do is we want to get, oh, I'm kind of cheating because I already have adhesive on the back, but I want to do this gorgeous, gorgeous piece here. We're going to lay that down. We're going to lay this down. Now I am using my magnetic platform, so the die is going to stay in place, and we're going to line that up the best we can, as fast as we can. We're going to lay this down. Now this die is perfect for the precision base plate, but because we don't have time to find ours, we're going to just run this through this way and then this way, and I'm going to run it through 3 times just to make sure, because I don't want to go poke, 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 poke all day long. Now, because we don't have all day, right? Now what we have is, watch this. We have this well, and none of it's going to pop. So let's do this. Let's grab our green. Oh, you know what? I want one more color. I want one more color. Hang on. Where's the other die? There's another die in here, and oh, we have enough for yellow. We're going to lay that down, get our Oh, and you know what we also need is we also need the antennas. Where are the antennas? Oh, they're in here. So let's get the antenna on the body, and let's do that in pink because it has adhesive on the back. So oh, that just fell in the trash. We don't want that. That's a bad spot for the trash. We moved the trash, and that's a bad spot. Okay, so we're going to lay that down, move this way, lay that down, get these closer together so we can use a smaller cutting pad. Lay that down. That is a really bad spot for the trash. Okay, run that through. I think that's, oh, my trash used to be over there. We're in the process of moving, so things are just different. Okay, now we're gonna grab all this, grab all this, grab all this, get all this, get all this. And now what we have here is we have our card base, and I want to do, this is where the fun new stuff's coming in. I want to grab my hello die. So I'm going to grab my hello die right there, and I'm going to run this through just like that. So I want to line it up, and then we're going to run this through. So this is a drop-in die that you can use by itself or with the other die that it comes with. So I'm just going to run this through, and look at how fun this looks when it cuts out, it says the word hello. Whoops, sorry. It says the word hello. So that's going to be the inside of my card. So let's add this. Oh gosh, oh, there's adhesive. Okay, so we're going to add adhesive to the back of this. And we're going to lay that down right there. See how it layers perfectly? Then we're going to get that pink. Remember that pink? Now I did have the adhesive on the back. So now what we're going to do is we're going to peel this off, and with my new nails, because now that I go on HSN, I have to have real nails. I have to like look girly. But as you know, crafting and nails do not always go well. So let's peel this off. Jill always used to tell me, just use the pad of your finger. Don't use your nail. And I always use my nail. Why am I doing, oh my goodness. She just used to say, see this, oh, I had it. Did you see that? I had it. Oh my gosh. Ah, okay, now half of the trash is going to come out with the adhesive, so that helps. Any other pieces, you're going to have to flick. And I feel bad for the person that vacuums here. Who vacuums at the office? Kenny, is it you? I think it's Kenny. Okay, so now what we have is we have, oh, one more. Okay. Oh my gosh. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, we're going to lay that down on, oh, got to get that piece out. Get out. Get out. There it is. Get out. Okay. And we're going to, I wish I had some gems. Okay, so now we're going to lay this down, lay this down, lay this down. And then we're going to add our body. Where'd our body go? Here's our body. So we're going to peel this up. Oh my gosh, and my hands are freezing. It's freezing here. I'm telling you, whenever we tape, it's either freezing or it is hot. We can never win. No matter what, Ken can never win. I always complain, oh, it's too hot, or oh, it's too cold. It's like blah, blah, blah. Shut up, Stephanie. Okay, so now, I wonder how many times a day Ken thinks that. Kenny, how many times a day do you think, Stephanie, be quiet. Stephanie, be quiet. I'm sure he doesn't think shut up, because that would be rude. He wouldn't do that. But he would think, okay, she can stop talking now. Okay, so now we're going to peel that up, and then we're going to lay that down, and then let's add some ribbon. Oh, look how cute that is. So now, look, here we have our butterfly. We're going to open it up, and it says hello, but you know what? I'm worried that it's not going to really show. So let's get, what other color? Let's use the yellow, and let's get the little rectangle that's supposed to go with this. Ken, you better get ready with your timer, because we're almost done. So we're going to get this, and I need some oh, there's yellow. Okay. So now I have that rectangle that goes with the hello. I'm going to add this on the back. So let's just add a little tiny bit of adhesive on this just to make sure that it sticks. We're going to lay this right there to cover that up. Oh, and it's going to go a little too far, so we got to get scissors. Scissors, trim that off. Trim that off right there. See how it goes a little too far? Okay, trim. Okay, we're almost done, Kenny. Get ready, get ready, get ready. Grab some ribbons. I did grab these ahead of time. I went in the back of the warehouse and I grabbed some ribbons and oh, yay. Okay, so we're almost done. Oh, my daughter just texted me. I'm not going to stop and read it though. Don't worry. Okay, we're going to run this through, oh, look how fun it is to have. Oh, look how cute this is. And we're going to tie a bow as fast as we can. Ken, get ready. Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. Tie that bow. Stop, 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 stop. Okay. Okay, hang on. KJ texted me. Oh, okay. Okay, so now look how I love the double ribbon. Totally surprised myself on that one. Totally surprised myself on that one. Okay, so there is the cute little double ribbon. Okay, you have to start doing double ribbons. And look, I'm going to peel these apart now because then I'm going to have double ribbon. Hang on. Oh my gosh, these nails. I can't get used to these nails. They're so pretty, but I'm not used to it yet. Okay, in 10 years, you're going to hear me saying that about my nails still. Okay, so here we go. So look how cute that is. Open it up, and it says, hello. Oh, that is so sweet. Okay, Kenneth, hang on. I made a mess. Do you guys make messes when you scrap? Card make? That's not bad. Is that bad? That's not bad. He's holding it like this. Okay, he's laughing at me now. Okay, so it was not 30 seconds. It was a little bit more than 30 seconds, but I think you kind of figured that part out. It was 6 minutes and 47 seconds, which it was less than 7. So I'm kind of pretty impressed because I did a lot of extra. Usually, I mean, and if it wasn't for the nails. But anyway, 6 minutes and 47 seconds. Isn't it cute? Open it up and it says hello, and then you can write your little message and do whatever you want over here. Well, thank you very much for another episode of a 30-second card in 6 minutes and 47 seconds. I won't complain. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, baby. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, 'cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could, I would like that, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh. My indie rock. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, baby. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. My indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. I see 100 girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, 'cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could, I would like that, 'cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow.